Hey, I'm Hermann Konnemann, Technical Advisor at Glasman Dahlmann. Today I'm here in our production plant Geeste. This is a location where we produce several different substrate constituents. For example, our high-quality green compost TerrAktiv. Here I want to introduce you our new innovative TerrAktiv PLUS product. In addition to our TerrAktiv green compost, which is tried and tested for years and RHP certified, and our fermented green fiber TerrAktiv FT, we have now developed TerrAktiv PLUS as a new product based on green compost. The goal for this development was to use the natural disease suppressive effect of green compost and to optimize it for further and broader application in professional horticulture. So we combine green compost with specifically selected microorganisms in order to enhance plant growth and to support the plant to be more resistant against, for example, fungal diseases. So why is this important? In the recent years, we have seen more and more restrictions in the approval situation for crop protection products. So you as a grower know this, there is less fungicides available, for example. There is also a tendency amongst people to criticize residues of plant protection products in foodstuff or even in plants. So the industry, the horticulture industry, is asked to produce with less pesticides in future. Also for substrate producers, this means that the substrate ideally already comes with a disease suppressive effect. And this is exactly where TerrAktiv PLUS comes in. So how does TerrAktiv PLUS exactly work? In principle, it is about increasing the competition between positive microorganisms, which are harmless or beneficial for the plants, and plant damaging, so-called pathogenic microorganisms. Beneficial or promoting microorganisms can be various soil fungi, such as trichoderma, nitrifying or ammonifying bacteria, theobacteria, and also mycorrhiza fungi. Pathogenic microorganisms, for example, can be Pythium, Phytophthora, Fusarium, Rhizoctonia, but also human pathogens such as E. coli bacteria. The more beneficial microorganisms are contained in the substrate, the higher the suppression of pathogens is. The key word here is the so-called suppressivity of the substrate. A competition among the microorganisms takes place. The addition of selected microorganism strains additionally increases the beneficial effects of the microbiome. Additionally, we also have an extra nutrient supply from the green compost, which further enhances plant growth. So all in all, the plant growth is very well supported by the addition of TerrAktiv PLUS. How does this look like in cultivation? Here we have a demonstration trial with lamb's lettuce and different trays inoculated with the pathogen Pythium ultimum. We have different treatments in this trial, and I've selected some trays to show you in a close-up the effect of TerrAktiv PLUS. Here we have the control, which is not treated with Pythium nor any other treatment. Then we have the variant 2, which is treated with Pythium ultimum. We have variant 3 treated with Pythium and also treated with propamocarb, which is a fungicide typically used against Pythium. And then we have variant 4 inoculated with Pythium, but also treated with TerrAktiv PLUS in the substrate. In a direct comparison, you can see that Pythium is affecting the lamb's lettuce quite strongly. In this tray, you have a lot of plants dying off. Here you can see the effect of the fungicide. The dying off is much reduced. There's only a few to be seen. And then we have TerrAktiv PLUS, where the plants do grow very well, and we have similar effects to the fungicide. This underlines the suppressive effect of TerrAktiv PLUS. This can also be observed in other crops. Good effects are known, for example, for pot herbs, container-grown plants, for open field cultivation, perennials, as well as pot plants such as cyclamen. In this trial with TerrAktiv PLUS and cyclamen, the substrates were inoculated with Fusarium oxysporum. Here as well, the addition of 10% TerrAktiv PLUS, to be seen in the middle, showed very good plant strengthening effects in addition to the fungicide-treated variant on the left side. TerrAktiv PLUS can be used in all types of substrates. The addition of 5 to 10% TerrAktiv PLUS in the substrate is already sufficient to achieve the desired effects. The improved microbial activity in the substrate leads to a higher resistance of plants against fungal pathogens. The plants are more robust and healthier and show better root growth. For more information, you can check out this link and leaflet, which is shown here. There you will also find other videos about interesting products, for example, about the advantages of our wood fiber, green fiber in substrates. Take a look.